Motec Mobile Vicinity Scout – Static Overlays. The Mobile Vicinity Scout by Motec is a camera system developed especially for commercial vehicles. This system provides you with a seamless 360-degree panoramic view around your vehicle. In this video, we show you how you can use overlays to increase the efficiency and safety of your vehicle. Static overlays are fixed graphic elements that are displayed in the panoramic view to identify specific areas of action. These areas include, for example, the swivel range of an arm of suction flushing vehicles, the unloading area of a grape harvesting machine, the support points of the outriggers of a concrete pump, or simply the required distance around loading flaps, doors, or lifting platforms. This allows you to customize the system to fit your needs and create complex shapes from different overlays. Using a lorry as an example, we'll show you how to set the overlay for the distance of a loading flap. Go to the user interface, select Settings, then Representation, Static Overlays, and finally New. Use the left and right arrow keys to select the desired geometric shape and confirm your selection by pressing the Enter button. For this example, select a line. You can now select different display options. Use the arrow keys to select the desired color, and use the lower arrow key to change the opacity setting. Here you can set the desired transparency. Since only one line is applied in this example, the opacity remains 100%. When using larger shapes, such as semicircles or rectangles, a semi-transparent representation is helpful, as this will not obscure the field of view. You may use the arrow keys to change the line weight. However, in this example, it is already adjusted with the value 8. The Filled Overlays option describes whether a filled shape or only the contour shall be displayed. For the line, this option remains disabled. Select the Draw function to begin creating the shape. The display changes to the full screen mode and shows you a target cross that marks the desired starting point of the line. Use the arrow keys to place the cross at the intended location. In order to position the cross accurately, press the F2 key, hold it down, and use the arrow keys to move the target cross. For even more accurate positioning, press the F3 key. Once the desired starting point has been found, press the Enter button to confirm your selection. The target cross for the end point is selected automatically and can be positioned in the same way. Press the Enter button again to confirm the shape you've just drawn. Go to the user interface and check whether the Overlay Present menu item is shown. If so, choose Apply in order to write the drawn overlays to the system memory. You can now save all settings in the menu under the Save tab. Simply press the F3 key to switch to the live image and remove the operator control unit. The static overlays are now displayed in your 360-degree panoramic view and will help you to operate your vehicle safer and more efficiently. You can learn more about applying additional overlays, hiding or deleting overlays, as well as other features in your installation guide. Motec hopes you enjoy the new Mobile Vicinity Scout and wishes you a safe journey. Motec Mobile Vicinity Scout, protecting lives, helping people and saving money.